Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to remove default clothes in the Roblox avatar. So to do this, what I need to do is I'll be go over here and that will take you to this, and right now we need to sign in to your roblox.com over here, and you have to sign in with your account. So once you sign in with your account, if you go over here at the top left, you can see this particular icon. Click on this one and you have to navigate to the avatar. So right now, if you go to the avatar, you can see right now this is how the Roblox avatar of my account looks like, because I have already using this particular account and I have already made it the default right like this how it looks. I have made a lot of different changes. So in order to this, what we need to do is we just need to go over here to the avatar and you have to go to all. Right now, as you can see, these are some of the things which I have already selected. So what I need to do is I need to uncheck every single thing over here. I need to change all these things because I wanted to remove all the default clothes in this Roblox avatar. So I just need to change everything. Once everything is changed, this is how it looks like. So once afterwards, just go over here, head and body over here, and you have to go over here into skin tone. And right now, this is how the Roblox looks like. So now you can change, or you can change the Roblox skin tone based on your needs. For example, if you can change into the white, this is how it looks like. If I change the gray, this is how it looks like. So the default clothes in the Roblox is completely removed, and we are changing this to a new one like this. And even if you go over here in the advanced, you can click on the advanced, and you have options like you can change the color for a separate part like a head, torso, left arm, right arm, left leg, and even the right leg. So you can also change it from here as well. So once everything is successfully changed, what you need to do is you can see it is all changed right now. And from what it is in the beginning, that like I said in my account, it was using frequently. There was a lot of things including the hair, and right now everything has been changed to remove the default clothes in the Roblox, and this is how it looks like. So this is about it, how you can change it up, and I hope this quick video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon next video. Peace out. Bye bye.